Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add drum kits to FL Studio 21 on Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, open the folder where you'd like to store your drum kits. Create a new folder and name it whatever you prefer. For this example, I'll call it FL Studio Kits. Within this main folder, you can set up subfolders to organize different types of sounds like drum kits, loops, one-shots, and SFX. Next, it's time to fill your drum kits folder with some sounds. Simply drag and drop your sound files into the appropriate subfolders. You can find drum kits online or create custom sounds of your own. Once you've organized everything, open FL Studio 21. In FL Studio, go to Options and select File Settings. Click on the small folder icon to add your drum kits folder to FL Studio. Here, you have two options. You can either add each subfolder individually or add the main folder containing all your drum kits. I recommend the latter, as it keeps everything organized in one place. Select your drum kits folder and click Select Folder. Your drum kits are now ready to use in FL Studio. To access them, click on the folder icon in FL Studio's browser panel and navigate to where you saved your drum kits. You'll see all your subfolders listed, making it easy to find the sounds you need. And that's it. You've successfully added drum kits to FL Studio 21. Now you can explore new sounds and get creative with your music production. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.